How's it going, guys? Today we're looking at a BMW X3. I think it's a 2020 seat position malfunction. Pretty easy fix to do. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. It should work about for any newer BMW. So what you want to do is turn on the ignition. On these push to start BMWs, you tap the button 3 times and it'll put it into like diagnostic ignition on mode. But if yours is one of those insert keys, just turn the ignition on. And what you want to do is move the seat all the way forward. As you could see, it's not programmed, or it's been erased or something, because I have to keep pushing it forward because it stops itself, and that's how you know that the seat is not learned, basically. So move it all the way forward until it pushes itself back, and then move it forward one more time and hold it there. Hold that button for about 10 seconds. That way the computer knows that it's all the way forward. And then once you do that for about, like I said, 10 seconds, move it back, and the same thing is going to happen. You're going to have to keep pushing it and pushing it and pushing it because it doesn't know where its current position is. So like I said, move it all the way back, and you're going to basically repeat the same thing and hold it there for about 10 seconds. You might want to hold it for a little more just to be safe, but this happens to all these newer BMWs. Even for the sunroof, about the same thing happens. They get reset and you have to almost do about the same thing. But like I said, hold it in the back for about 10 seconds, and as you can see now, it moves all the way forward without doing any pauses in between. And that's how you know you've basically relearned the seat memory, and the light should go off. If it didn't work, you can go ahead and turn off the car and then retry it again to see if that works. But as you can see with mine, now it moves smoothly forward and back. And we're going to turn off the ignition, turn it back on, and the notification should be gone. Only thing we have left is washer fluid is low, but that's fine. So that's basically it. That's how you fix it. This should work for any maybe like 2010 and up cars that have this sort of issue. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this helped you out. Make sure to leave a like down below if it did, or comment. I might be able to help you guys out. And thanks for watching, and subscribe.